In this video, I will show you how you can open multiple demo accounts in Exness. So it's very easy to do it. Firstly, you need to go to your personal area. So if you are on terminal like me, you just want to click on those 9 dots, then personal area. And now from here, you want to choose my accounts under trading. And as you can see, I have multiple demo accounts here. So to create a new one, you just want to click on open account over here. Then you can choose your account type, so you can keep it on standard, then continue. Now from here, make sure you selected the demo account. Next, you want to change this currency. You can keep it on USD, but if you want to trade in different currency, like me, I will choose euros. Then you can also add starting balance. So let's say I want to start with 10K. You can also set a nickname for your account. And then you can also set max leverage. So you can click on it. You can also add custom leverage. So let's say I will click custom. You can add 1 to 300. Then make sure MT5 is selected. And you want to create this trading password. So create your password. Then click on create account. And now this will create your demo account. So as you can see, this is my account new. And now to use it, you just want to click on trade, then Exness Terminal. And now you can start trading on your another demo account in Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.